Hey, Coulter! Wave to YouTube! Thank you, sir! We'll see you, Coulter! So Coulter just stopped and took a picture for us. All right, so again, there's the sign for Black Bear Pass, and we're going to do it, man. We are here to accept the challenge. Going to try and take it slow. The goal today is to ride over Black Bear Pass, not break any bones, and make it back to Durango, Colorado alive, where my lovely wife, Robin, is waiting for me. So let's do this thing. So, should you do Black Bear Pass on a Suzuki V-Strom with hard case bags on it? Probably not. Ugh. Ugh. Woo! Whoa! That was already crazy stuff, huh? Woo! Ah! I really I don't know. I'm not really hitting this trail with the mindset of I'm just taking some crazy extreme chance in life. It's just so darn beautiful, and I just want to be here. I really did want to do it more on a Jeep or something of that nature. My Bronco 2. But it just didn't turn out that way. So here's some questions. I'll put my visor down. So, some good questions. Should you do Black Bear Pass on a Suzuki V-Strom with all the bags on it? We'll find out. Whew, stay on the throttle, stay on the throttle. Oh. Wow. I didn't expect it to be like this for a while. Seriously. I really didn't. Wow. I didn't expect for it to get this rocky and crazy for a while. I won't lie. This is more extreme than I thought it was going to be. Seriously. Holy crap. Okay, as an amateur, I'm already exhausted and realizing I'm on the wrong motorcycle for this crap. I will probably be stopping for rest very soon.
I'm really hoping to get out of this mess very soon. This rocky crap. Oh, geez. That is exhausting. Okay. That in itself was very exhausting. And I'm hitting every wrong line. Oh, crap. Alright, after that thrashing, we're going to take a look at our skid plate and see how everything's doing. That was a pretty big hit. Whew. Alright. I am already worn out and exhausted. Okay. That's just the first little bit. Holy crud. Alright. So I don't see any oil leaking. That's all good. Jeez Louise. I was really ready to turn around back there. I might yet. Holy crap. I'd really like to see getting to some... I'd like to see road like this for the next 12 miles. Oh, this is much easier. Okay, let's let our legs kind of chill out. Dang, that was exhausting. Oh, get off the rocks, Red. Get off the rocks, get off the rocks, get off the rocks. Okay, we're going down. We're going down. Okay, this might be harder on... I'm kind of embarrassed that I went down right there. I'm wiped out. Robin, I love you, and your husband is an idiot. I should have never tried this. It was pretty stupid. But I've made it this far. I don't think there's any turning back, because I think going down this way would be pretty treacherous with the loose rock. So I'm going to get on and try and hit some level ground. Please let there be some level ground. So little hits, little hits, little hits. Whew. Doesn't all have to be full on balls to the wall. Little short bursts for the amateur like me who really just wants to get home. I will agree, the weather is just darn near perfect for doing stupid things like this. Woo! Alright, let's hit this little line right here. Alright, try and turn. I highly do not recommend this road to novice motorcyclists. This is stupid and insane. Alright, well, there's another V-Strom down moment, so it happens. I didn't keep my momentum up.
Noise control mode.
I dropped it, and well, there you have it. So I should have come further around here. Skid plate's definitely been used today. Let's pick this thing up and get going.
Views are beautiful up here, guys. Make no mistake. Absolutely beautiful. Really. I mean, it's gorgeous. But dang. My buddy's worn out. I seriously am worn out.
Combination of amateur rider, big heavy bike, doesn't necessarily belong up here. Yeah, you can do it. Well, I've made it this far, y'all. I haven't finished. So, you know, I'm not done. I'm trying to be smart, but I'm tired. And I am ready to be done with this madness and insanity. You know, the one thing that videos don't do justice is how rocky a lot of this is. It's rocky. It's very rocky. And there's a lot of loose, treacherous, super loose, treacherous stuff up here. So, yeah, it's not to be taken lightly. It is beautiful. You can tell we're going to be dropping in altitude here. Whew. Oof, this is still better than what I started with. That's for dang sure.
I can see the airport for Telluride. I just could see little bits of the town down below. This is by far the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Dumbest thing ever. Wow. Okay, I have come to another little spot that scares the pee-waddly-doo out of me. This is really steep going down. Oof.
Did I tell you this is the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life? All right. Oh man. Wow. Momentum. Slow down. Yeah, this is a fine line of going too fast, fingers on clutch, tiny little bits of front brake, a lot of rear brake, but a lot of sliding on the rear brake. Oh shoot, that's going down. That's going down. Woo! Yeah, that'll get your pucker factor going. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Bad line again. That's all right. We can sit here and take a break.
Oh my gosh, there's so much pucker factor. That scared the crap out of me. Jeez. Ugh. Oh. All right. Come on. Get me down. Get me down, Heckle. Get me down here.
Okay, so that's it. That's Telluride there, right down below. The waterfall cuts through this beautiful valley. The steps are right below us, but damn, if they're worse than this. This was steep coming down, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I was just right up there. If I knew now, if I knew then what I knew now, no way would I be right here. It's too much. Okay. So this is it. I'm officially on the steps on Black Bear Pass. What you need to understand is, and videos don't do it justice, this mother is steep. I am trying to be very honest with you and establish how steep these final steps are.
Noise control mode.
I'm looking up at my motorcycle, guys. That's a long way up there in a very short distance. There's a lot of room for error right here. I will have enough sunshine to get through here, and then I'll be on the switchbacks. And can I tell you, I'm really ready. Here I am at Black Bear Pass, finally. Bridle Falls, waterfall. All I have is about 100 yards left of this very difficult stretch, and I can tell you, I wish I had not tried this. This is too much for me on a Suzuki V-Strom.